Hello, children. And the name of this new chapter is Indian authors. So it's in page number 60, 60. So in this chapter, we'll be learning some names of the authors, some famous names of the authors. They have written. Authors are those people who write books. So the names of the books are already given. You have to guess the names of the authors. I have done it for you all. You all just need to remember all these 10 names of authors as well as 10 names of the books. Accordingly match the following might come from this chapter. So number one is Coolie. It's a very famous book. Even a movie has been made. So Coolie, and the name of the person who has written is Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand. It's a very famous book. Number two is Train to Pakistan. This is again a very famous book. If you have not read, you may read it. Khushwant Singh has written. Khushwant Singh is his name. Please write the correct spelling as well. Third one is the autobiography of an unknown Indian. Nirad C. Chaudhary has written this book. Nirad C. Chaudhary. It's the autobiography of an unknown Indian. Fourth one is Malgudi Days. This is again a very nice book. If you have not read, please get over this book. It's a very nice book. R.K. Narayan has written. R.K. Narayan has written Malgudi Days. Fifth one, The Shadow Lines. It is again written by Amitav Ghosh. The Shadow Lines is also a famous book. Sixth one, The Palace of Illusions. It is Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni is a big name, but you can remember Chitra Banerjee, that will be also fine. The Palace of Illusions is again a famous book. The Inheritance of Loss. Seventh one is The Inheritance of Loss. This is Kiran Desai. This is a very famous book, novel actually. If you can read this, very nice. Eighth one, The Room on the Roof. It is written by Ruskin Bond. This is very famous. You must have heard about this author name. Ninth one is Midnight's Children. Salman Rushdie has written. This is also, you might have heard about his name. If you have not, please write the correct spelling. 10th one, The Immortals of Meluha. This is also a very nice book. If you get over it, you can read it as well. Words are a bit difficult in this one, but if you can read it very well, your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your English will be very strong if you read these such type of books. The Immortals of Meluha is written by Amish Tripathi. It's again a novel recently made around 2010 or 2009. These novels have been made. So all these 10 books, you can remember all these authors are from Indian origin. In India they are situated, and if you can remember their names very well, in the this part you need to remember, you need to know who is this person is Rabindranath Tagore. You all know about him, you all have heard about him, you all have read his stories also. I think you all know about everything about him. So Rabindranath Tagore is a very vast personality. If you can know a bit, 1 or 2% about this person, if you have read 0.0001% also about this person, then definitely your life is sorted. So Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian and the first non-white to receive a Nobel Prize. What do you mean by non-white? Non-white means a person who is from Indian origin, who is black actually in color. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. He also wrote the national anthem of India. In 1901, Tagore founded an experimental school initially called Patbhavan at an ashram called Shantiniketan, which is an abode of peace. Here tried to blend the best of Indian and the Western learning traditions. It later grew into the Vishwa Bharati University. So this is very important. You need to know. Please underline this. Here he tried to blend the best of Indian and Western learning traditions. It later grew into Vishwa Bharati University. So underline these 2 points. You need to remember Rabindranath Tagore was the first non-white to receive a Nobel Prize. Non-white means he was not, his skin was from Indian origin. You all know that we don't have white skin. We are not white skinned people. So that is the reason we are called non-white. Just remember these 2 to 3 points and 10 names which are given over here. That's it. Okay. If you face difficulty, you may please come up to me. And remember, from the GK syllabus, I am just omitting out one chapter, that is the epic sagas. Please omit that chapter out, and rest we have it in our syllabus. Okay, thank you all of you.